Hey everyone, how are you? I'm Heather, I'm the Bent Yogi. This is a Mom Minutes practice. It's a short practice meant to energize and invigorate you. It's great for anyone if you have just a couple minutes to get on your mat and practice. And if you like longer practices, please check out my Patreon page, The Bent Yogi, or my studio website, sanctuarypoweryoga.com. At both of those, you can find full-length classes for when you have a little more time. For now, let's get started in downward facing dog. Come onto your mat. Come onto your downward facing dog. If you want to begin in child's pose, you can absolutely begin in child's pose. Take a big breath in and a long breath out. You can add in a little bit of movement here if you like. Set your gaze or close your eyes. Once more, take a really big breath in through your nose. Hold the breath for just a moment. Now, open your mouth and empty out. Let your head hang down. Right, loosen your neck and your shoulders. Feel your hands and your feet on your mat. Take another big inhale. And a long exhale. Once more, big breath in here. As you exhale, lightly step or jump to the front of your mat. Halfway lift, inhale, exhale, fold. Inhale, come on up to stand. Hands reach high, heart lifts, look up, fold, forward, exhale. Halfway lift, inhale. Hands to your mat, step back to your high push-up, high plank. Knees lifted or lowered. Low belly draws it up. Fingers spread wide. Take a big inhale. Forward, halfway down, low push-up, chaturanga. You can drop your knees or come all the way down. Upward dog. Take a big breath in. Maybe you work with a cobra or low cobra and pause here. Lead with your heart. Take a big inhale. Exhale. Back to your downward dog or your child's pose. Take a big breath in. And a long breath out. Take a big inhale. And a big exhale. Take a deep breath in here. Exhale. Step or jump forward. Halfway lift. Inhale. Exhale. Fold. Inhale. Come on up to stand. Hands high. Lift up. Reach up. Fill up. Fold. Forward. Exhale. Halfway lift. Inhale. High push up to low push up. Exhale. Upward dog. Take a deep breath in. Downward dog. Breath out. Just beginning to loosen up a little bit, to wake up a little bit, especially if you woke up pretty early. Instead of an afternoon cup of coffee, get on your mat, be in your body, awaken your prana, your life force. Take another deep breath in here, exhale, step or jump to the front. Halfway lift, inhale, exhale, fold. Inhale, rise to stand, reach up. Fold forward, exhale. Halfway lift, inhale. High push up to low push up, exhale. Upward dog, a big breath in. Downward dog, breath out. Take a full inhale. Open your mouth, empty out. Take another deep breath in here. Exhale, step or jump to the front. Halfway lift, inhale. Exhale, fold. One more time. Inhale. Come on up to stand. Reach up. Lift up. Fold forward. Exhale. Halfway lift. Inhale. Bakasana, crow pose. Set your hands on your mat. Fingers spread wide. Big bend in your elbows. If crow doesn't work for you, you can come into a squat, but you can also set your hands on your mat. Big bend in your elbows. Feet closer together. Come to your tiptoes, get your knees above your elbows. You can still have your feet on the ground as you start to shift forward, shifting into your hands, engaging your core, coming into your power, choosing whatever variation works best for you. Wherever you are, take a big inhale, chaturanga, step or jump back. Upward dog, a big breath in, downward dog, breath out. Take a really big breath in. And a full breath out. Now, step your right foot about halfway up your mat, ground into your hands, and kick up with your left foot. So just a couple of times, pushing off with the right foot, leading with the left. Once more, lift up, come on back, And switch it up. Take your left foot about halfway up your mat. Ground into your hands. Kick up with the right foot. Push off with the left. Right? Lifting your legs, lifting your hips. One more time. And then come on back to your downward dog. Now take a deep breath in. And come on into your child's pose. Let your head rest on the ground. Let your hips sink back. Feel your heartbeat. Feel your breath, a big breath in. Then a long breath out. Come on back to your downward facing dog. Take a deep inhale here. As you exhale, step or jump to the front. Halfway lift, inhale. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise to stand. Come on up, lift up, reach up. As you exhale, draw your hands to your heart. Pause for a moment. Feel your breath. Feel your strength, your power. Feel your softness, your balance. Together, let's take a deep breath in. And a long breath out. Drawing your thumbs to your forehead, to your third eye center. Together we say, Namaste. Thanks, everyone. Thanks for joining me today. Hope you feel a little more energized, right? More in your body, more awake, ready to move on with the rest of your day. I'm Heather. I'm the Bent Yogi. Please like my videos, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell so you're notified as new videos come out. Take care of yourself. Take care of each other. And I'll see you on your mat.